Hello and welcome to the Create and Manage Virtual Data Center screencast. In this screencast, we are going to guide you through creating the virtual data center, adding the resources, and verifying that it is effective. Virtual data centers define an assignment of one or several user groups to a pool of resources. Virtual data centers can be used for different purposes. For example, to enable a user group to use only specific hosts in virtual networks. Resources can be added based on their cluster membership or individually. Resources within the virtual data center might be located in the different OpenNebula managed zones. It's worth mentioning that every new user group once added is a member of the default virtual data center. All resources are members of the virtual data center as well. For successful virtual data center assignment and the usage, the user group must be removed from the default virtual data center. For the purpose of this demonstration, the environment contains three hosts. Two of them are members of the prod cluster and one is the member of the dev cluster. Virtual Data Center Management is located under the System tab VDC. For the purpose of this demonstration, there is an additional user group named sysops that currently is the member of the default virtual data center. I'm going to remove the group from the default VDC first. Select the default virtual data center, press the update button and navigate to the user groups page. Deselect the sysops user group and proceed with saving these changes. To start the virtual data center creation wizard, press the create button. Give it a name and proceed to the user group selection page. Select sysops user group and proceed to the resource tab. To simplify the selection, I'm going to add the resources based on their cluster membership by selecting the prod cluster. Proceed to the next page and press the finish button. Now let's verify that the virtual data center settings are effective. To verify that the virtual data center settings and limits are effective, I'm going to log in as the member of the sysops group. Navigate to the Instances VMs page and press the Create button to start the instantiation wizard. Give this batch a name. To verify that the virtual machines are not going to be deployed on a third host that is not part of this virtual data center, I'm going to start three virtual machines. Thus, three VMs should occupy only two hosts that are part of this virtual data center. Press the next button and then finish, leaving all of the settings on their respective defaults. As we can see, the virtual machines were only deployed on the hosts that are part of the newly created virtual data center, and the third host remained untouched. VDCs can be used for various purposes, from simple segregation of the resources to being a crucial part in the multi-tenancy scenarios. Thank you for watching and see you in the next screencast.